posters that stay relevant long after printing. With OneQR's dynamic QR codes, you can update your content without having to reprint the poster. Make the most of your space by using QR codes to link directly to helpful content. Whether it's speaker bios, event agendas, image galleries, or ticket purchasing options, viewers can scan to access everything they need without cluttering the design. Help attendees navigate an event with ease. By scanning the QR code, they can access digital maps, details on venue amenities, parking information, or event security guidelines. It's a quick way to keep everyone informed and moving smoothly. One of the best parts about OneQR QR codes is they're dynamic. This means you can change the link throughout an event to highlight new speakers, updated schedules, special exhibits, maybe even early ticket specials to the next event, all without reprinting the poster. Effective QR codes need a clear call to action. Let your audience know exactly where the code will take them and give them a reason to scan. Your QR code should fit seamlessly into your poster design. When it matches your brand style, it helps your poster look polished and professional. Make sure your QR code stands out with good contrast against the background. Higher contrast ensures the code is easy to scan, even in tricky lighting conditions. With OneQR, you're choosing an eco-friendly option that's both practical and sustainable. Print your posters once and update as often as you like. Get started for free today by visiting oneqr.com and see how dynamic QR codes can elevate your posters.